Did you know a medieval princess once burned down an entire city using birds? This is the terrifying story of Princess Olga's revenge. In 945, the Drevlians murdered Olga's husband, the ruler of Kiev. Big mistake. When they sent ambassadors to make peace, Olga had them buried alive while still sitting in their ceremonial boat. But she wasn't done. Olga invited their nobles to cleanse themselves in a bathhouse before negotiations. Once they were inside, she locked the doors and burned them alive. Still not satisfied, she threw a fake funeral feast for her husband. 5,000 Drevlians showed up, got drunk, and were massacred by her soldiers. For her final act of revenge, Olga demanded a tribute of birds from each household. Sounds harmless, right? Wrong. She tied burning sulfur to each bird and released them. They flew home to their nests, setting the entire capital city ablaze. This brutal revenge made Olga the most feared ruler in medieval Europe. Ironically, she later converted to Christianity and became a saint. Talk about a redemption arc.